Hello friends, today I got this mixer. When I start, the shaft was not moving, it was moving very slow even on a full speed. So I just opened the top cover, check the problem. Before we go on top, I just want to show that this gear, even this one, see this one moving and it's not moving. So we need to check this gear box also. That we will do later, but first let's go on top. So here we should have this one. This thing is broken. Supposed to have a plate here that can hold this and the bearing move up and down and make this belt loose and tight. See this bearing, this is broken. We are going to change this one too. And to change the bearing, the first thing we need to do is remove this chain. We have a lock, we're gonna remove the lock and remove the chain first. I remove the chain and now just remove this lock and holding this. The bearing also, I put the screw and see the bearing is coming out. I remove this bearing, broken. So this is the bushing. I'm going to use a press drill to remove this one. Friends, as you see, I already cleaned the bearing. This was the bushing. I removed from this. It's broken. I ordered a new one. And this bushing I take out from this one. And I ordered the bearing, and in the meantime I need to check this gearbox too. So that I'm going to open this screw, remove this one, and then these two, and remove the gearbox. I have this plate, the brass plate. This is broken from one side. So I take the measurements and I make a next one with the little thicker one and more wider, so it can last longer now. Hey friends, I got this bearing, a new bearing. I just change it. I already made this one, a piece broken. This is fixed too. And on this one, like this is the one that's going like this. Before you don't have any hole, so this plate it come out. I make a hole. I'm gonna put a lock here, so this stay inside. As you see, I fixed this back and it's coming here. And now I'm fixing this bearing. Bring it down till here, and now we need to put this one. socket on top and tight. So you can see, move this and then go down and up. Now we are going to put chain here to here. Now you see, I just started and I moved towards the fastest speed. It's running fast now. The belt is tight. And see the gap also? So, this way. You're going to slow it down. To check how the machine works. When the bearing going up, the belt has more tension, so it's loose now. And it slow down. So friends, I have opened this gearbox, and as you see, these gears, they are not good. They're broken, and two teeth are broken on this one too. So I'll try to find a new gear. If I find, I will change, or we have to think of any alternative. I have this gear from an old grinder, but it's not of the same size. Like these are good, so I'm going to make a gearbox out of this old broken one. Friends, this gearbox is not good, so I'm going to use this old one. To fix this, I make this part after welding. So I'm gonna fix this gear here with a blade and this side to the mixer. I'm gonna fix it with these 4 screws. This is coming here and like this. So let's start assembling everything. I assembled this, and see, this is working fine, and I already made the marking. I'm gonna make a hole and make thread here. So the gearbox I make, I fix it, even that cut is tied down here, and for the handle also I weld one screw here and this one, and you see it is working now. So this is on slow speed. You see everything moving. We're gonna make it faster. Going to cover it. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.